Assalamu alaikum students, hope so you all will be fine. Welcome to English online class. It's my 5th lecture with grade 5. The topic is continuous tenses. Students, we will complete our workbook page number 55 to 57. Well students, before starting workbook work, I'll explain you what are continuous tenses and how they form. Before that, you learned about indefinite tenses. So the definition of continuous tenses is the continuous tense shows an action that is, was or will be in progress at a certain time. Okay, this tense shows the continuity of work in present, past or in future. The continuous tense is formed with the verb be plus ing form of verb. I'll explain you formation of continuous tenses with the help of chart. Here is continuous tenses formation chart. Let's check the formation of past continuous tense. To form this tense, you apply subject plus helping verb plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. O stands for object. So to form this tense, we apply this rule that subject plus helping verb plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. Helping verb of past continuous tense is was or were. We use was for singular noun and were for plural noun. For example, he was going to the market. In this sentence, he is subject, was is helping verb, go is first form of verb, and we add ing to the market, and the market is object. Okay, so if we go with the helping verb were, we have a sentence: we were writing a letter. We subject, verb, helping verb, write is first form of verb, and we add ing according to formation rule, and the letter is object. Moving on, present continuous tense. Subject plus helping verb plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. All three continuous tenses have same formation but have different helping verbs. The helping verbs of present continuous tenses are is, am or are. Is used for singular noun, are is used for plural noun, and am we use am with I. For example, I am playing cricket. I subject, am helping verb, playing is first form of verb with ing, and the cricket is object. Sana is plucking flower. They are cooking meal. So these are sentences of present continuous tense with separate helping verbs am, is or are. Next is future continuous tense. Subject plus helping verb plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. So helping verb of future continuous tense are will be or shall be. For example, Zaman will be knocking at the door. So in this sentence, Zaman is subject, will be is helping verb, knocking is verb first form of verb with ing, and the door is object. So this is the formation of all three continuous tenses. Let's start our workbook work. It's your workbook page number 55. Mention date and day on the top of the page. Topic is continuous tenses. First question is, say whether these sentences are in the present, past or future. You will tell simply these sentences are in present, past or future. The woman was playing with the baby. So how can we judge the tense of this sentence? You will concentrate on helping verb. The helping verb in this sentence is was. That shows the past tense. Okay, so this sentence is in past tense. The child will be knocking over the walls. So the helping verb will be tell you that this is future tense. A lion is chasing a buffalo. So is helping verb in this sentence and it tells about present tense. The boy will be making an entry in his diary. The helping verb will be indicates this sentence is in future. Children are trying to catch the ball. Are is helping verb shows that this sentence is in present tense. On the same page, next question is make sentences using the given verbs in all three continuous tenses. Okay, here we are given with verb find. We have to use this find verb in past continuous, present continuous and future continuous tense. So let's recall the formation: subject plus helping verb plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. So you know that in past and continuous tense we use was or were as a helping verb. So let's make a sentence. He was finding a book. I am finding a pencil. It's a present continuous tense. Saad will be finding his red shirt. It's future continuous tense. Next we are given with verb walk. Past continuous tense is they were walking fast. Present continuous, boys are walking fast. Future continuous, he will be walking fast. Okay, in these sentences was, were, am, is, are used as helping verb. So move towards next page. Next page is page number 56. Mention date and day. Look at this funny incident and explain it using the future continuous tense. Means you have to explain this picture in future continuous tense, and you know the future continuous tense has helping verb will be or shall be. So let's check the picture first. Look it carefully. It's a picture of a traffic jam, and let's check what this person is saying. Good afternoon, sir. There is a horrible traffic jam, sir. I'll be late for meeting. So this employee is calling to his boss, and let's check what his boss is saying. We are waiting for you. Make it fast. So let's write this incident in future continuous tense. Ali will be calling his boss for informing that he will be late for meeting and about striking in a horrible traffic jam. Boss will also be striking in the traffic jam, but for fun. He will be saying that, come soon, we are waiting for you at office. So in this way, you can check that you write this paragraph in future continuous tense. You can see the helping verb will be shows that this paragraph is in future continuous tense. In this way, on next page, page number 57, you have to write the incident or picture description in past continuous tense. Thank you, students.